How to fix OpenClaw lost connection with Telegram in this video. We'll guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the connection issue between OpenClaw and Telegram. If you're facing problems, don't worry, this process is straightforward. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check OpenClaw configuration. Open the OpenClaw configuration folder. Navigate to the config directory and locate the Telegram configuration file. Ensure that the Telegram enable option is toggled on. This setting activates the connection with Telegram, and it needs to be enabled for functionality. Step 2. Update Telegram bot privacy settings next. We will adjust the privacy settings for your Telegram bot, open Telegram, and start a chat with @botfather. Select your bot from the list and navigate to bot settings. Locate group privacy settings and turn it off. This step allows your bot to receive all messages in groups, which may help in restoring the connection. Step 3. Verify bot updates. Now that your privacy settings are configured, we'll check if your bot can still communicate with Telegram. Open your command line tool and execute the following command. Bash curl https://api.telegram.org/bot. Your bot token, get updates. Result, message.chat.id. Message chat. I'd replace with your actual Telegram bot token. This command retrieves messages and their associated chat IDs. If you see chat IDs listed, your bot is successfully communicating with Telegram. Step 4. Send a test message to ensure everything is working properly. Let's send a test message using curl. Use the following command. Bash curl xpost h content type application JSON d chat_id chat_id greater than text. This is a test from curl. Disable notification. True https://api.telegram.org/bot token. Make sure to replace with your bot's token and adjust the chat_id to the appropriate chat ID from the previous step. Conclusion: if you've followed these steps correctly, your connection between OpenClaw and Telegram should be restored. If you continue to experience issues, double-check your configuration settings and make sure your bot token is correct. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips.